It is travel day for us, and I do have a huge pimple coming, but I apparently forgot to pack my hotel slippers, which kind of stinks. I always have them in my suitcase, but I must have moved them into my other carry-on. I am finishing up packing my toiletries and my electronics and basically ready to go. We're not going to leave here until like 11 or so. My Nog yogurt was already out of date when I bought it. Oh my gosh. I think the yogurt's no longer good, but the flavor is good other than the sour. Sad. I think I'm not going to risk it anymore. I'm kind of annoyed that I spent $2 on this though. Before we go to the airport, I'm going to try to finish this library book. I have about 100 pages left, but it's a quick read. It's a collection of short stories about cannibals, but it's in the future where it's no longer socially inappropriate to eat human flesh. It's weird though. Trying to read this was wild. The stack of library books to be returned. We are on the move to the airport. Made it to parking. I don't know which one I want. Maybe he'll leave. Heading over to the next lounge. Can bring up to 2 guests. For each of the loungers, for Ike's you get a $15 per person, so we get $45 to play with. Are there lottery tickets at all airports? I don't remember it. Construction season. Got a true window this time.
We're trying to make as much time as we can, but unfortunately headwinds are strong. 3 hours, 47 minutes to LA.
It's raining. Good thing we're wearing our rain jackets and we packed our umbrellas. Gotta take a shuttle bus. It's a lot of water. We are here in the Suncoast Hotel, and this is like within walking distance of Anaheim Disneyland Resort. And basically I chose this one because the rooms are supposed to be bigger than a lot of the other ones and more updated. It is slightly more expensive and slightly farther away, but it's also like cheaper at the same time. Closet, mirror, and then here is the bathroom. And it is a Hilton property, and you are able to connect your Hilton honors and stuff like that. And then here it looks like microwave. Oh, that's nice actually. Mini fridge. There's a coffee thing. Here is, we got the 2 queens. And then here is the writing table area. It is part of the tapestry collection. Let's see what our view is. Looks to be like, oh, you can't see anything. There's also a chest of drawers here. Looks like 6 drawers. This is odd to me, so I just figured I'd put it in the review video of the hotel. The shower curtain is like slightly, like oddly short for how tall the bathtub is. Because once you put it in there, it's like barely, you know, it's gonna get wet on the floor. One other review nobody has asked for, but these are kind of, I've already jammed my leg into it, so I would say I'm not a parent, but kids like to like run around, especially after the Disney juice, so this would be like right at head level, and it's like kind of oddly sharp, but yeah, I have a huge bruise now. Uber Eats for us from this place that's like an institution. Apparently there's storied past with this family. Apparently there's some like murders and stuff that happened. Got us all of the sauces, pitas. This is a quarter chicken, and I got all of the sides basically. This one is the combo plate, so beef and chicken, and this one is chicken and more of the sides. I think this is like $80 because of delivery and stuff. Smells good. I'm very excited for the garlic sauce. I'm gonna try the garlic sauce plain because I love me a garlic sauce. Oh, it's good. My mom's gonna like it. We just needed to eat so we can go to bed. It's like 8:30. It was a long travel day, and with the time changes and stuff, and I haven't been sleeping well, and I've also been sleeping like East Coast time, so it's like even worse. Anyway, gonna go to bed. Gonna try to take care of this pimple. Talk to you in the morning. Good morning. Today is Saturday, and it's the first day that we're in California full day. We're going to actually not do Disney. We're doing that on Monday and Wednesday. Nope, that's wrong. Is it wrong? No, it's right. That's right. I scoped out potential breakfast places, but we also have a crap ton of food available because my sister's rooming with me and I am prepared snack-wise, and so is she, so I can show you the stack. This is our stack of snacks. So we may not need to buy anything, but we at least have snacks. That's the most important thing because our parents are old, so actually they eat more than we do. I don't know, they just don't snack I guess. Heading out 7:30-ish to downtown Disney. We're timing, by the way, how long it takes to walk from the Suncoast Hotel to Disney, like the park area. Okay, it's 10 minutes walk to where we are now. 7:40. So it took about 5 minutes to get through security. It only took us about 20 minutes to go through from the hotel through here. But the lines are kind of like not as bad as I thought they'd be, according to social media. I kind of want that shirt. I sent my sister the one that's going around. That's me on my way to annoy you. So, hi. It's 8:15 now and the line is super long for both parks. You can't see it over there. My two favorite characters. Why is he cosplaying as the Australian breakdancer? They speed him. We're going to breakfast at the Disneyland Hotel. My mom has joined us. Zootopia Aries. Breakfast. Loco burrito. Tropical pancakes.
This man just sunk my battleship. We're going downtown. God, we're taking on water. Over here specifically.
Next up, the cafe. Cookie butter latte. Store E. The Slink one is so cute. Do I be annoying in the store and push his belly? I think I might. Oh, we thought it was going to be a $25. You never see people wearing the cheese guy. Only $70. It's $99.99. It's $100. I got these for free in Times Square. They're probably like $37. Your ears. I did see these and I kind of wanted them. The ticket ears are kind of cute too. $65. These sound delicious. So, Chip and Dale got the worst snacks. These are cute. They're like Mickey shaped cheese cookies. Bing bong, that's the only thing I know from the movie. I have my churro toffee square. But that's a huge cookie. This is for a very specific fan. This is so scary. Because they're googly eyes. But then he's never like looking right. $35. They're only $10. Oh, I thought he was part of it. My sister's two favorite things. Update, it's Pluto. This one's $50, but it's cute. Price is not listed, but I kind of want that one. These mini totes are kind of cute. This t-shirt is so cute, $35. It's a kid t-shirt, but look. Time check, it's 11 a.m. and the lines are very long now, like super long. So it's now 11 a.m. and it's pretty busy. This is the garden goat from the grilled cheese bar. So it's goat cheese, vegetables. This is the man. This is the caprese. Brown-eyed girl, seaweed, fuego in Jalisco. Cheers. Next up, we're going to Monkish. What is he? We're gonna go to Villains, which is another brewery. It's about a block south of the Packing District area. We got tricked by that freaking scary puppet thing. That was where the entrance was. Diet Coke, watermelon seltzer, got the fire emoji, and then the fruited seltzer cherry, and then brisket nachos to share. Sushi rice tots for $5. Onion rings from the chip shop. We're leaving the packing house and going across the street to a distillery. Velvet Elvis, Distant Sons, Tragic Kingdom.
I brought extra spoons. You don't have to share though. No, I will. Okay, you're being generous. I love it. Okay, happy birthday from Summer. Okay. You guys have a good one. Okay.